guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a bunch of my favorite Korean and American makeup products. A lot of you guys wanted me to like curate a list for you of all of my makeup products since you like the makeup that I do on this channel. So today I'm going to sit down and go through all of my holy grail favorite makeup items for you guys. It does include Kbeauty and American products and drugstore and high-end. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up for me, and let's get started. The first product I'll be talking about is the Etude House foundation. This is their double lasting foundation. It's supposed to be a dupe for the Estee Lauder foundation, the double wear foundation, and it's not. I live off of the double wear foundation. Like, that is my favorite foundation of all time. Like, I will die for that foundation. But it's really pricey and I never use it in videos because one, the shit that I have right now does not match me, but also because it's so expensive, I only really like to use it for like concerts or if I'm doing something special that week. That's when I like to use it. For an everyday wear foundation, this is one of my favorite foundations. But the issue is if you are a darker complexion than I am, I'm not too sure if they will have a shade range for you. Although Etude House has, for this specific foundation, has a wider shade range than most of other Korean brands. The darker shade range, I'm pretty sure if I remember correctly, I was one of the fewer darker shades. So if you are a darker complexion than me, that might be an issue, which is very unfortunate. I'm really, really sorry for that. The next products are these Maybelline Concealers. Oh my goodness. First of all, the shade range, amazing. Like, amazing, and drugstore. You can get these at Target, I think, for like $5 to $6. I swore by these concealers in middle school and high school. I don't know why I stopped using them, but this is amazing. I am in the shade Light for underneath my eyes, and for my actual face I use the shade Wheat. So definitely if you have an issue with like getting a shade match, definitely check out Maybelline Fitme line. They have a wide variety of shades. I love anything from this line, specifically these concealers. So good, so good, perfect for the under eyes. I love this. I'm very, very picky with my under eye circle for my concealer, and these are truly one of the best. I didn't really realize this, but I have quite a bit of lippies in this video, and that's just because I feel like I'm a very big like lip gloss, lipstick type of gal. So the first lippy products that I love, I have 3 of these, but 2 of them are with me right now, and the other one is my other room. But these are the Fenty glosses. I know these are kind of expensive, I understand, but on Sephora right now they definitely have a deal. I think it's like a dual pack for 2 full-size glosses. I think I hauled that in my Sephora haul. You can get a pack for 2 full-size glosses for $29, which makes them around $14.50 a piece. That is still expensive, but definitely cheaper than what you would actually buy if you were to buy them separately. Any shade in the Fenty glosses I love. They just give your lips so much volume, so glossy. I'm gonna put some on right now for you guys. This is in the shade Sweet Mouth, and it's kind of just like clear cotton candy pink. It just makes your lips so full and so glossy. I truly love the Fenty glosses. They're one of my favorites from high-end. I haven't found anything from the drugstore that's as comparable to the Fenty glosses. The next one, I don't know if you will consider them makeup products. I definitely do, and they're a staple in my collection, are Tinted Lip Balms. They're huge in Asia. Tinted Lip Balms are a huge thing in Asia because I feel like they're so forgiving, and especially for male idols, I feel like male idols are able to get away with tinted lip balms a little bit more than a lipstick would, since they look more natural. And also for stage performances, I feel like tinted lip balms are also more forgiving. But anyways, that's besides the point. I love tinted lip balms because they make my lips just look so natural, and it looks like the color is mine, but I got it from a tinted lip balm, you know? So one of my favorite ones are, this is from they're all from Yesstyle besides this one. So this is the Tone Up CC Rose Pink, and if you like BTS, I haven't mentioned this yet, but they use this also. So yeah, I'll be including this in another video soon, but this is one of the lip balms. If you guys remember, it was one of the lip balms where Tay used and he covered up the lip balm so people wouldn't sell it out. This is it, but I haven't done a video on it yet, so when I do a video on it, don't tell people. Then I have the Nivea one. This is the strawberry one, which you can get in Yesstyle, and this is the cherry one. If you like having that really natural cherry glow lip, like you just ate a popsicle, these are definitely it. And this one is the Burt's Bee Tinted Lip Balm This one is the Burt's Bee Tinted Lip Balm and Hibiscus, and Namjoon actually uses this one, and I've used this in a video before. I think it might be my everyday makeup routine video, and this just makes your lips look so natural but really, really glossy. This has a lot of color. You would think it doesn't because it's a tinted lip balm, but no ma'am, this has a lot of color. Definitely check it out if you like tinted lip balms. They're way better than like the Maybelline tinted lip balms. I haven't ventured out to like the expensive tinted lip balm world yet, like Bobbi Brown and stuff, because you're broke on a budget, but these are really good, and they're all, I think, around under like $4, so definitely check it out for a good lip balm. This one is all Kbeauty, but a lot of you guys are asking me for my favorite tinted lip tints, and my favorite ones are from Etude House. These are really inexpensive. I think they range from like $5 to $9 depending where you can get them. You can get them on Yesstyle, and by the way, everything you can buy on Yesstyle, you can use my code ShilaBui for a discount on Yesstyle. I know you can get these on Amazon, eBay, Yesstyle, Glam, but if you want a discount on Yesstyle, you can use my code ShilaBui. It's not an ad for Yesstyle, I swear. Anyways, I love them. I like to do the sheer tinted lip look where you put a little bit on and you kind of sheer it out to have like that gradient lip effect. These are my favorite ones, and I love them because tinted lip colors are really forgiving and they last a really long time. I have the shade PK002, I just dropped one, RG302, PK001, and OR202. I believe my favorite shade is this one. I believe it's this one. It's in RG302. This gives you the most natural cherry lip tinted lip look ever. So for blush is one of those things where I'm not too picky on. I love it from drugstore, I love it from high end. I even use eyeshadow as blush. The blush I have on right now is an eyeshadow. It's from the ColourPop Sailor Moon collection. Like, I will use any pink shade as blush. I really don't care. But some of my favorite blushes are from the drugstore. These are the Wet n Wild ones. I've used these since high school. These are not the same ones from high school because that would be disgusting. But these are like $2.99 from Target. You can get them even cheaper at CVS if you can get them on sale for like buy one get one half off, or when they have their 40% off sales. But these are just the color in Keep It Peachy and Mellow Wine. I love these for my skin tone. I think they have definitely ventured out in their blush color range now, so you don't like these colors, I think they have more options for you now, but amazing. I love these and they're a staple. Both of these shades work really well if you have all of these skin tone like mine. Milani blushes. Milani baked blushes. They have a wide variety of shades, and they just look so glowy on your skin. It makes you literally look bronze and glowy and healthy. I love these two. I like peachy blushes, in case you couldn't tell. This one is in the shade Luminoso, and this one is in the shade Bella Miso Bronze. These are a little bit more pricey. I think they're like $8 to $9, but definitely worth it. I use this one a lot. I travel with this one so much. I use it almost every single day in college. It's Bella Miso Bronze. I've never hit pan on it, so the $9 is really worth it. If I tell you it, y'all better not make this stuff sell out, or I will be so mad, because this stuff already sells out all the time online. The only reason I was even able to get my hand on this was by buying it in Hong Kong in a store. So it tells you how good this product is, because it's always sold out online. This product, you can buy it on Yesstyle, you can buy it on eBay. It is amazing. When I went to Coachella last year, this was the #1 most used product that I had. All the girls wanted to use it, all the boys were using it. Like, this was the item of the freaking year. I love this product, and I need a new one. It's so bad right now. The wand isn't even like a wand anymore. It's literally like slanted. Etude House, if you're watching this, I know Korean brands don't really do PR packages, but if you send me another one of these, I will promote it till the end of the day. Like, this is my favorite product. I'm gonna stop rambling and tell you guys what it is. It's the Etude House Amira Holic glitter eyeshadow eye gel thing, and I'm gonna put the exact name in the description bar so you guys can look it up, and a link from Yesstyle if you want to buy it. But this particular one is my favorite shade. It is in the shade WH901 Crystal Shoes, and it's the exact name is called Amira Holic Liquid Eyes. I'm telling you, this particular item will look good at anything you're wearing, and it will just have like the prettiest crystals underneath your eyes. It's a huge trend in Korea to do like the crystal, like the glitter stuff underneath your eyes. I do it all the time in my videos. I've always done that in high school, so like, trendsetter over here. I'm just kidding. But it's one of my favorite items. I love this. And for Coachella, all the girls who don't even like glitter were buying this to put it on their face, to put it underneath their eyes. The boys were buying it to put it on their cheeks as highlighters. Like, this was amazing, and it lasts all day. It's pretty inexpensive, and I need to get a new one because this is disgusting. But this is truly so good. I think it's like $9, $8 to $9. Better than anything from Sephora that you can get that's like $20 for some glitter. This is $9, half the price. Balm.com. One thing you need to get in this video is my tinted lip balms and this stuff. Like, this is so good. The last product is for all my highlighter girls. I don't wear highlighters that often. Like, I have highlighters. I have expensive ones. I have Anastasia. I have a bunch of highlighters that are from Sephora. But truly, if I ever were to run out of like my expensive highlighters, would I repurchase them? Probably not, because they're really expensive and I really don't use highlighters quite that often. I recently started using it some more, but to concerts and stuff, I would never use it. I mainly like to use it for photo and videos because it looks really good, but in person, just not my thing because I have such high cheekbones already. But highlighters, okay? Highlighters. These are the best ones for the price. It's bomb. It's just as good as any high-end highlighters. I have like the limited edition Anastasia, like whatever, like the gold highlight thing, which I love. I truly love. But I don't see a difference when I use that one and this one. Like the Wet n Wild highlighters, I have another shade that I really, really love as well. I believe these are either $2.99 or $4.99. No, $4.99. Go get you some. Like, so good. I put this all over my body, put it on my face, especially my body. I would use these because I don't really care if I waste it all because it's so cheap. This one is in the shade Golden Flower Crown, and that's what I'm wearing on my nose right now. I'm like right there and like a little bit right there. This is a highlighter I have been using in a lot of my videos basically, and I love it. It's good. It's a really good highlighter. It's cheap and it's affordable. And that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want a skincare version for this as well, where I just mix a bunch of Korean and American brand skincare products that I love and just kind of talk about them and show you to you. I'm going to be doing a skincare routine video soon. I know a lot of you guys have been requesting it, and I was gonna film it last night, but then like my skin broke out and I got insecure and I didn't want to do it. So we're gonna wait for like a week for this pimple to go away, and then I will film it for you guys. I love you so much, and subscribe down below if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up for me, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!